Hi, my name is Corbett White, and this is my wife Kelly. We're missionaries from Faith Church in Lafayette, Indiana, heading to Berlin, Germany to plant churches. Our ministry is called Build Berlin.
So, in Eastern Germany, it's one of the most atheistic and agnostic places in the world. In all of Germany, it's reported that only about 4% of them are evangelical believers. And honestly, in Berlin, the number is lower than that. So, to give you a picture of that, when we live in Berlin, we'll ride public transportation everywhere. So, say we're waiting to get on the subway and there's 50 other people waiting, there's probably only two of those who might be evangelical believers. So you can see that the need is great for the good news about Jesus Christ and having a relationship with God to be preached there.
Our goal is to serve as a catalyst for the planting of local churches in Berlin to the praise of God's glorious grace.
And your role is imperative. If you want to learn more specifically about our ministry plans or how to partner with us, please visit our website. It's www.buildberlin.com.